My Spoken English 5.3, Unit 3.
Speak the English the world understands.
Questions that get yes or no answer. Do you know how to ask questions that get yes or no answers? The last word in the question is said like a question. First, let's say these last words in the questions that follow. Me, Nigerian, friend, yesterday, embarrassed. Now, listen to how the following questions are asked and repeat them. Do you know me? Are you Nigerian? Is he your friend? Did it rain yesterday? Were you embarrassed? The answer to each of the 5 questions is either yes or no.
Speak the English the world understands.